Hi, it's Jill from Grown Up Dish, and today's the day. It's finally time to harvest some of the lettuce I've been growing on my Lettuce Grow Farmstand and use it to make this awesome salad. First, I pick my lettuce. I'm using a mix of butter lettuce, baby lettuce, and arugula. It sure doesn't get fresher than this. I'm topping my lettuce with grated carrots, green onions, strawberries, blue cheese, chopped pecans, microgreens, and the star of the show, a perfectly ripe Asian pear. Then I whipped up a homemade dressing using a super simple recipe from Jen Hatmaker's new cookbook called Feed These People. It's a mix of apple cider vinegar, olive oil, garlic, mustard, honey, lemon juice, salt, and pepper just shaken up in a mason jar. You guys, this salad was so delicious. I mean, so good I'm probably going to make it again tomorrow. If you want to grow organic vegetables at home, in your house, even during the winter, check out the farm stand. You can get $75 off if you order with my discount code. Follow Grown Up Dish for healthy-ish recipes, product reviews, and midlife musings.